Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of Building the Batmobile from 1966 TV show Batman. This is season 2, episode 88 from March the 9th, 1967. Still King Tut. Yeah, I don't know, it's the one where Batman triumphs and Bruce Wayne has a date with Cleopatra. Then we're still looking at the Cat and the Bat, Catwoman, all the good things about that. And this is, we've got the front right wheel arch to put on. We've got another little twiddly thing to put in, another bit to attach, and then putting that in place and fitting lots of tubes that I shall attempt to do, and we'll see how that works. But also putting the steering column in and the firewall. So pretty much finishing off all the interior stuff. So yeah, lots of tubes and hoses to connect, which I shall attempt and do my best. But I don't like hoses and tubes. So we'll end up with it being a bit like that. And then I can put this aside for a little while because we're doing some more work on the, well, starting the outer chassis. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this done. Okay, so first things first, we're going to need some AP screws. We're going to need 4 of those in the end, because we're attaching this bracket to that, like we did on the other side. On that side there, it's going. So that's going on that way round with that facing that way. So that goes on there, like that. Let's see about getting that in place. Around there somewhere. Get that lined up with the screw hole. I was nowhere near it. There we go, that's there. And then that one goes in the other side of it. And once I've got those both tightened up, that piece goes on there. Only go the one way round. Like that down there as well. And then we'll see about fitting that to the chassis itself. Okay, there we go. That's got the firewall put in place and the steering joint attached. The steering works. It's not very responsive, shall we say. But that's not a problem because I want to get it straightened up and get the steering wheel straightened up anyway. So that's good. That's okay like that. Next up, we are fitting the firewall in place. So that goes over there. And there's 2 screws to hold that in place. I'm getting these cables all sort of coming out the middle bit. So that's got to locate down in there somewhere. Locate into something down there. No, just onto the thing. And then the 2 screws go in there. Then it's the hoses to connect up to everything. So I shall get that done behind the scenes because look, there's even one that's come loose. So let me get that plugged in, get the hoses connected up. And that's pretty much it as far as I can tell from this. So yeah, let me figure out where all the hoses go and see how it looks when it's connected up. So there we go. That's all installed and fitted. Bulbs are all coming through this way now. I've attached a couple of tubes and pipes, but I don't know where they're meant to go. I can't quite follow the instructions to get them all right. And I'm never going to open the hood anyway. I've even got these bits that have come off that I can't. I know that they come off of there. They're meant to attach to somewhere, but I don't know exactly where. And to be honest, as well as not being able to see very well at the moment, I'm not too bothered at the moment, or indeed ever, within these engine bays. As I say, I'm not going to open it anyway, so I'm just going to get them in there and sort of poking in the right general directions. That bit goes on there. It's meant to attach to something, but I can't see the bit that it's meant to attach to, so that just sort of sits in there as well, so I won't be bothering with that. Like the other bit that came loose. No idea at all. So for now, I'm calling that done. That's a day completed for this part. I shall see you for more when we're going to not be doing anything with the main assembly. But apart from that, it's slightly disappointing, but I'm not bothered. I'm here for the aesthetics and the look of it rather than the functionality of any of the engine parts. So yeah, that bit's all okay. And starting on the interesting bit soon, the bodywork. So thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment, make fun of me, tell me I'm an idiot, but yeah, I'm not bothered about these bits. So I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.